kami magpa-fly together. Roomies. Oh, down there. We're going on a trip. Finally. Pretty naman itong kasama ko. We're gonna go to gate A. And then we're gonna board.
Roll A, B, and C, A. The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all A's.
Nagsolo. May Chick-fil-A. Hindi ako magdadagdag. Oh. Ito na.
So today,
Where are we going?
Hi guys, welcome to our video. ASMR, kumain ka.
Ayan.
Dapat maingay. Tapos yung upuan namin ngayon, nakahapon sa mga tao. So, parang mga feeling nila, pag nakita nila tayo, mga bata pero tapos yung isa naka-shades pa.
Gusto niyo mga t-shirts? Mataas ng araw, guys. Ching, ching, ching.
Isang rockstar daw at isang businesswoman. Guys,
Meron kasi kaming
ako yung manager niya.
Ako yung CEO. Boss.
Hindi ko alam kung okay ba tong mic natin kasi first time ko gagamitin after
Pero ba maayos yun?
purchasing it for 2 months already.
Kasama yun dun, diba?
Hindi, separate pero ano sila compatible.
Compatible. Spell.
Matched. We're going to Boston. Our flight is at 11:15. Then we'll land at Boston. Not 5:02. Okay, bye.
Ito na kami. We're going to Boston. You know Boston? Gonna go to school. That's situated in their assigned seat. Good morning. We're at Boston. What's wrong? Stars. How many stars?
5/5.
Ay, wow.
Hindi lang tayo nakauwi before. Wait.
It's good. It's perfect. Then you ride up. So we're gonna be taking the Uber because it's still too early. Time check. It's before 5. 5:09 in the morning. Oh wow. Hi.
Wow.
We're already here. We're gonna go to the green line. Red light. Ay, mali. So, yung aming hotel ay connected daw sa mall. Yun. So, we're walking towards the mall. Because our hotel has the mall. So, we're already us to Salumay. Oo. Yeah. It's connected, so pwede na natin padala yung gamit natin para hindi natin bitbit. Ayun lang. Okay. We're at Park Street. Park Street. Si Park. Park ko si ano? Si Jerry Park.
May mga skirt-skirt.
This is us at 7 a.m. getting all the cold that we don't deserve. We're almost there na. Almost there to our first stop, the Diesel Cafe. Yay! Diesel Cafe. Ooh. But I want iced coffee. Sige, mag-hot muna ako. How big is the burrito kaya? This is us before the photo booth. Do we wanna ask how long it will take?
Yeah.
Para lang, ano, solo o group solo. Oo.
As vintage as this camera.
I have my seasonal coffee, breakfast burrito, we got hot choco, and that's my Jenny. Yee. Ano?
Photo booth POV. Pero tapos na kami.
How was your vintage photo booth experience? Meh.
Meh. I didn't do it. Parang exactly.
Alis na kami. We're going out. Kanina wala siya naman. Okay.
Yeah.
Would you recommend, how would you rate out of 5 stars the breakfast burrito? We tried that and then we thought it has like meat, like ham and cheese maybe, but it's with avocado, spinach and beans. So medyo not for us. How's it? Paano si Stitch? Ano ngayon na guys, no? How tall? May sinasabi tita si Chloe. Sabi ni tita ni Chloe, busog na busog yung kanyang mata. Ay, nagulat naman ako yung
train to
Ano na yung food court? Mali. Shopping court pala. Ito, may Italy. Ayun.
This is quite nice.
Di mo na Rome? Or na?
Yeah.
I-check lang kung may magugustuhan pa sila. No? May mga quick service counter sila eh. Guys, the mall is malling.
The mall is for rich people. Oh my God.
Hindi namin kinakaya.
This mall is for rich people.
Our pockets is not for this area.
Hindi nila alam na lang kami. Judge mo lang.
Sige, Jimon na naman. Kami lang naman yung mga
Isa lang
batang.
kami mapagpanggap. Ang ganda lang ng mga suot namin. Pero hindi nila alam inside ready.
Ikot tayo. Hi guys, we're back. We're back in about.
Bibili kayo ng ticket for train pa rin. Gusto ko din yung mag-Yosemite eh.
Change outfit.
Ay, naantay na talaga siya.
Sige, ano lang tayo eh.
Okay naman. Ako. Kaso sabi ko sa mga Italian. Gusto namin sabihin. Masarap. Italian yan eh.
Ikot-ikot lang.
Ito siya. Patuloy pa rin siya sa pag-aaral.
Patuloy ang
Kumanta yung mga Diba yun yung mga gusto mo? Para ba? Yeah. Alam mo, gusto ko siyang iyan sa pizza ngayon. Kasi nung mauna, kung baba nila kung
Ay, oo, meron din dito.
Pero hindi dito dapat tayo. Ay, hindi na sa iba. Kasi meron din sa Pilipinas sa New York.
Hindi mo lang dapat yung kita. Ayoko, sabi ko.
Ate, yung puti mo ano ba?
Kumain tayo saan?
Sa Italy?
Tapos may promo na 27. May appetizer. Appetizer at main course. Tapos, edi, tig-apat yun.
Yeah.
So, apat kami, hindi take all na. Tapos, ayun, hindi siya, out of 5 stars. 2. Sasabi ko 2.5 kasi, may bar.
Talaga si ate. Tuloy pa rin. Ay.
Ito baka dito. Diyan ba? Ayun, te. Do you see the light? Do you see the light? Hi, te.
Ay, ang lapit naman.
Malayo siya, 0.5K. Natin doon, wala na ulit.
Oh, dami na naman. Parang masarap. Parang
Kami ni Chloe, tapos nakasay na ni
tingin ka. Yes.
Really? Like,
Gusto ko picture lang. Gusto ko picture lang. Guys, so we're at Haiti. We're at Haiti.
guys, 6,000 pa.
Wala.
Mahina pa tayo.
Mahina. Hindi kayo naglalakad eh. More steps, guys.
More steps.
It's warm. It's the warmest day in a while.
Chloe, eto na yung iyong Acorn Hill. This is the Acorn Street. Hindi na po kasi nag-scam ng winter. Anong weekend? Paano? Ano insure ate? Ganito. Kung gusto mo.
Do you want one?
Ang hirap.
Edit mo na lang.
Snow park. Wow! Winter yard.
Ano, gari naka-video pa? Mahikab-hikab na ako na. Makita na yung ngalangan ako dyan.
Ang lamig na po. May moon na.
Ako ngayon, napapadasal din ako. So, dahil sabay-sabay tayo magdadasal.
Oh, baby, it's raining and raining. Oh, baby, don't need it so.
Medyo. Kaya nga.
Taste test.
Init, ang init.
Ay, ganun na dyan. Dito na tayo lahat.
O naman. Bakit hindi? Guys, ang daming good morning. Hindi kami makasagot. Good morning. Ang original plan namin, sunrise. Almost done na ang sunrise. Pero at least morning. Kinaya. Anong oras ba? It's 7. 7 o'clock na ng morning. Tapos ang sabi namin, nandito na dapat kami by 6 or what? Before 6:30. Pero ayun, 7 o'clock. It's still a great place to start our day. Wow! Harbor. Here. Boston Harbor. My dad was telling me na, tanong niya kahapon is kung nakapunta na ba tayo sa harbor. Oo, sabi ko, yeah, but it's night time. Ayan, dad. Wala. Ay, doon ba? Andito kami sa Quincy ng umaga. Nakapag-picture kami ng walang katao-tao. This weather is so windy.
Magsusnow kasi
Later.
wala lang.
Kaya naman. We are at Christian Plaza. It's an outdoor building, outdoor spot. Nagpicture kami tapos ang lakas-lakas ng hangin na naman. So, ayun lang.
Sabi, hindi ka pa nakakalimutan.
Sabi ko sa akin, punta kami city. Para alam ni Besh. Sabi ni Besh, hoy, umuwi ka na.
Ayun, no? Haha. Yep, and now you will...
Matatanda.
Guys, just so fun.
Nasaan ka, ate?
Let me see it.
Kami natin, tapos yun ang kakain natin, hindi ko alam.
Kaya nga eh.
Hi, Chloe.
Hello! Welcome back sa iyong video.
Hindi ako masyado nagbe-video na. I got storage insufficient or card full.
Oh, that's why nga pala. Yeah.
That's why I'm not vlogging much anymore, sadly. Oo, yung konyo.